Hi. Today we are going to get to know the CMM-17 plant. This is the typical degasifier with a nominal capacity of 17 cubic meters per hour. In general, the layout of this unit is quite familiar to you. The plant is equipped with a 3-section heater. The power of each section is 50 kilowatts. The vacuum system is represented by a roots pump with a capacity of 2,000 cubic meters per hour and 2 plate-rotor pumps with a capacity of 100 cubic meters per hour each. Among the unit advantages is a pair of humidity sensors at the inlet and outlet, which ensure constant oil quality monitoring during operation. Now, here we go about something interesting. According to a client request, it was necessary to provide plant operation at various power supply parameters. The task is solved thanks to an autotransformer with a capacity of 300 kilovolt-ampere, that gives an opportunity to work with supply voltage of 220, 380 and 480 volts. And one more interesting option. The unit is equipped with an automatic performance adjustment system. The flow oil at the inlet of the plant is controlled by a gear counter and a control valve. Now we need to balance the amount of flow at the inlet and outlet of the plant. The system, trying to maintain a constant oil level of the vacuum column, changes the degree of the control valve opening. As a result, smooth regulation of efficiency in the range from 4 to 17 cubic meters per hour is ensured. That is all the news I wanted to share with you today. More news on our website www.globecore.com. Come on in, it's interesting with us. See you soon.